Hello kids, now we are going to see about the vehicles names. This is car and this is truck. This is bus. This is school bus. This is aeroplane. This is helicopter. This is boat. This is helipad. This is ambulance. This is bicycle. And this is motorcycle. Bulldozer, and this is crane. This is rocket. This is van. This is jeep. This is ship. This is truck. This is sports car. This is tractor. Fire engine. This is train. This is parachute. This is auto rickshaw. And this is sedan. This is SUV. This is garbage truck. This is cement mixer. This is forklift. And this is taxi. And this is double-decker bus. This is hot air balloon. This is police car. This is tricycle. This is submarine. This is motorboat. Thank you.